I'm from Baltimore, you say you was, I never see you. What part you on? I got some family on the Alameda. I love my city, that's about me, and I bet they know.
Okay, number 3, we're going to select all of the following graphs which are one-to-one functions. Okay, so whenever you see the word one-to-one, or the term one-to-one functions with reference to graphs, what we have to do are 2 tests. The first test is the vertical line test. So I'll just write that here, vertical line test, to see if it's even a function or not. So we have function or not. Okay, and then if we get past that, then we have to implement the horizontal line test, to see if that function is one-to-one or not. Okay? Alright, so let's look at A. So we have this in blue is the graph, okay? So if we do our vertical line test, that means, okay, we have vertical lines, nothing, once. It touches the graph once here. But then we have, it touched it twice here, so it already failed the vertical line test. So that means this thing isn't even a function. So we could just write not a function for A. Okay? Now let's look at B, and let's do the vertical line test to start off with. So we have, okay, vertical line crosses once. This one's a little bit tricky right here, but it does only cross once, okay? So these vertical lines, they're fine. They all cross once. So this is a function. So let me get rid of those vertical lines. Alrighty? So we have that this is a function. So this is a function, but now we need to know whether it's one-to-one or not. So this is where we move on to the horizontal line test, and we start drawing our horizontal lines. So once. Okay, it looks like we're in the clear. Alrighty, so each of these horizontal lines that I'm drawing only cross the graph once, at most once, that is. Okay, so this one is 1-to-1. So this would be yes for B. Okay, now let's look at C. We're going to do vertical line test first, right? So we have vertical lines. Okay, looks good. This is just going to keep going down. All right, so passes the vertical line test. This one is a function. So let me write that over here. So this is a function of a sort. Now let's see if it's one-to-one. Let's do the horizontal line test. So it crosses once. And even though it looks like it could cross multiple times, this thing here is just going to keep going up and up. So it'll only cross once later on as well. So this is a one-to-one function for C. Alrighty, so now we'll move on to part D, and we have, let's do the vertical line test. So if we do that, once, okay, it's only crossing. Alright, so we're good there. So this one is a function of some sort. Now let's see if it's one-to-one or not, and let's do our horizontal line test. So we have horizontal line, horizontal, none. It already crosses twice. And then when we go even further, this is going to cross multiple times, so this is definitely not going to be a one-to-one. So not one-to-one. Okay, so this one is out. That's not one-to-one, just as A is out. Okay, so now into part E. Let's do our vertical line test. Yep, once. And this is a line here, so that's pretty simple, right? So anyways, so this is going to be a function. So this is a function. Now let's see if it's one-to-one. We do our horizontal lines once. And we can see that the horizontal lines are going to cross at most once everywhere. Okay? 1-to-1. So E is a yes. Alrighty. So lastly we have F. And this one, it's a little bit weird because it's the graph just stops here and then, or it starts there and it continues on to the right. But nonetheless, let's see if it's a function or not. So we have vertical line test. Okay. Everything looks good here. So this is a function of some sort. Let's see if it's one-to-one. And we're going to do our horizontal line test. Horizontal line once here, once, and it'll just keep going on and on. So this is a one-to-one function. Okay, so the answers are B, C, E, and F.
Club Nation.